Today, we are drawing a lion. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing bushy hair of our lion. Now, we are drawing face of the lion. Now, we draw eyes of our lion. Do you know that lions are carnivore? They like to eat meat. Look at the eyes. So cute eyes. Please like and subscribe. Now, we are drawing body of the lion. Wow, fantastic! Our lion is looking happy. I love my lion. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. See you in next video. Take care.